Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are still building Voice of the Night car. We are in phase 5, steps 417 to 21 today, building the other side of our engine. And this is our engine that we got so far put together. And today we're going to put the other half together. These are the pieces we need for steps 417, 418, steps 419, 420. Everybody likes 420. And 421. And if you like what you see, please hit that subscribe and like button. And with that being said, let's build. This is what 417 should look like. .418. Some of the build on this build, these are gray or black. Mine came with the black. This is what 419 should look like. .420. what 421 should look like. And again, this is phase 5, building the engine, steps 417 to 421. Stay tuned for part 2.